everyone, welcome to Craft Lab. I'm glad you could join us. Today we're going to make clothespin cars. These are fun and easy to make. So for this project you're going to need some scissors, a ruler, some glue, of course a clothespin, wood or plastic will work. You're going to need 2 twist ties, like the kind you would get off a bread bag or a produce bag, a straw, and you're also going to need 2 sets of buttons. Now all 4 buttons don't have to match, but you should have 2 matching sets. Alright, let's get started. So the first thing we're going to need is one of our sets of buttons and one of our twist ties. This is how we're going to form our wheels. So we're going to take our button and we're going to take the twist tie and we're going to thread up one of the holes, and then we're going to put it back down the opposite one. Your button may be a little different. You might only have 2 holes. That's okay. Okay, so once we've done that, now we're going to take these 2 ends and twist them together. And that's going to hold the button. Okay, so now it's time for your straw. Now the length of your straw is going to depend on the length of your twist tie. You want to make sure that you have enough space so that you can get the other button on. And you want to know how long this is. This is where you would use your ruler, because we want both of them to match. So we're going to thread the straw over the twist tie. And now we're going to do the same thing as we did before. We're going to put this up one and down the opposite. And we're going to do our best to make sure that the button is as flush with the straw as we can. So now we're going to twist this around. Okay, so now we have one set of our wheels. So you're going to repeat this process again with your second set of buttons, and then it's time to grab your clothespin. So on your clothespin you'll see this little notch right here. So one of your sets of wheels is going to go in that notch. If you have a set that's smaller, I would recommend it goes in the notch. And then your other set is going to go in this back section here. And what you're going to do is it'll go in just like this, okay? But you're going to want to use some of your glue and put it right in there to hold it, okay? Once you've done that and put it all together, give the glue some time to dry, and then there's your car. That's it. I hope you enjoyed today's project. Thank you for joining me. We'll see you next time.